आमी आज मेरेन जितली स्वमिनी पळयल्या तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगलां की आपल्याक सोशल मिडियाचेर एक बरो प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळ्ळो टू ग्रो एज एन एंटरप्रेनर. सो हो सोशल मिडियाचेर प्लॅटफॉर्म दिलो कोणें हें आज जाणून घेवया. आमच्या बरोबर आज आसा रफिना शेख. ऑब्वियसली कन्फ्यूज जाले आसतले. शी इज पॉप्युलरली नोन एज सिया शेख. हाय सिया, वेलकम टू स्वमिनी.
Thank you so much.
सिया, आमी आतां इतले स्वमिनी सिरीज वी आर रनिंग इट फॉर अ व्हेरी लॉंग टायम. And every Swamini says ki I got a platform on social media. So then we found out that you were the one who has given a platform for them in name of Go Womania. So can you brief our viewers what it is?
Yes, so Go Womania, if you see the name now, Go and Womania, so there is a push for women who wants to be independent, especially to earn something. So I started this platform in 2017, and I really wanted to connect with women and their businesses. So this name came up. So this we started in 2017 with just handful of 15 members, female, who were not all were from business background. Some were like just a housewife and all. With this 50 members, I shared this idea and how we can make use of Facebook and how this community can help women of Goa. And so we started with 50. मागीर 50 लोकांनी म्हाका सपोर्ट दिले. 50 लोकांनी आनी तेंचे फ्रेंडाक कलिगाक अशे वर्ड ऑफ माउथ प्रमोट केले. सो फ्रॉम 50 वी वेंट अप टू 100, मागीर 100 देन 500 अशे 1000 2000 अशे करून आमी आतां लास्ट 5 years वी आर लायक टचिंग 12,600 women. So it has become one of the most powerful community for women, especially entrepreneurs. So we created certain guidelines like exactly number of days, bazaar days आमी केले, appreciation day केले, मागीर review day अशे केले. Plus we also have a verified seller system. Now आता स्टार्टिंगाक आमी प्लॅटफॉर्म दिले सगळे कळ्ळें न्हू. मागीर आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टायम we started getting feedback also whether the buyer whether the seller is a genuine seller, registration आसा तेंचे ते रावपाक खंय आसा, हे सगळे क्वेश्चन आमकां येवपाक लागले कित्याक आमचो प्लॅटफॉर्म. सो देर आर people behind this, you know, like the output that what we see today, there is a lot of hard work that we have put in, and today also we have a dedicated person who looks after all this approval of the post and all other things.
I have seen Go Womania wherein the women are encouraged. They are given a platform. Various trainings are there. So can you brief us on that?
Yes, so here we have like different sets of entrepreneurs. The one who has just an idea and they want to do something. The others are like, you know, who have just begun like 6 months in the business and they want to set up and complete all the other process. For example, register their brand or register their company, you know, then having a फूड सपोज बिजनस आसा जाल्यार फसाय रजिस्ट्रेशन आसा, मागीर NOC जे लागता म्युनिसिपालिटी, पंचायत, you know, all these things. So there are workshops that we have conducted to create awareness about this thing.
See, there are many women who are still a housewife, you can say. Some were working, left the job for various difficulties they faced. Some are waiting for the right opportunities, and there are many pass out students who think that I have done BCom. Why should I do this? So any message, I'm sure your message would be strong enough for that those women.
I think firstly they need to identify their interest कितें आसा आनी थोडी गोश्टी आसता जे आमकां इन्स्पायर करता. आमचे कडेन कला आसता बट यू नो देर हॅज टू बी दॅट इन्स्पिरेशन दॅट वी गेट अट्रॅक्टेड टू ऑर वी आर इंटरेस्टेड. So we need to first identify which is the area that I really love to do. For example, suppose if I love cooking, so my passion is cooking, you know, and you should add your passion towards entrepreneurship. If you add your passion and attach a purpose, now purpose how? Suppose if I am a cooking, you know, a chef, or I love cooking, so my thinking should be to serve a good quality, hygienic, tasty, different variety of food to the customers.
So yeah, now you said Go Womania, you have established it in 2017.
Yes.
Under Go Womania umbrella, there are many other platforms that have come, definitely from the inspiration what you have said. So can you brief us on that?
Yes, definitely. So I really wanted to work very closely with women, and I love to interact with women. I love to understand their challenges and give them the right kind of solution also. So then we came up with this concept called WEBN, that is Women Entrepreneurs Business Network, and that happens to be Goa's first business networking platform, because it's not just about doing business, how you're doing business and which are the tools that you can add to your business so that you can scale up.
I think
Right.
during COVID, this platform has helped many to earn their bread and butter.
Yes, absolutely. Not only that, but the connectivity. You remember that many people were not having ration also, food properly. Udak suda nasle, and because our members who are part of this platform, who own supermarket chain, ज्यांच्याकडे प्रोडक्ट असता, मागीर किरायनाचो शॉप जे असता, everything we tried and helped to give information from here. Even doctors.
Right. So you are into so many things now. You are handling many platforms. You carry out events, some motivational talks. How do you manage your family, your house, and this?
I think before managing time, I manage my mind. And I always tell this, time management can happen when you manage your mind. And my family support, of course. So before marriage, my mother, she was kind of like, that pillar. She is still pillar for me. And now I have my in-laws, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law. My husband was very good support system for me. So I think somewhere I have got great support system from my family, so that I'm able to go out, spend time with my people, with my entrepreneurs and all.
Okay. So आमच्या बरोबर ही आशिल्ली स्वामिनी सिया शेख. शी गेव अस अ व्हेरी गुड मेसेज, मॅनेज युअर माइंड मोर दॅन टायम. अँड साहिल मांद्रेकरा बरोबर अपर्णा बडिगर प्रुडंटा खातीर.